Alright, hi guys. This video is about a vinegar and baking soda explosion with color. So, I would recommend doing this outside. I'm outside, as you can see. And it will stain your driveway, so you should probably do it in the grass back here. So, we're going to get started. So, first I'm going to take a vinegar. I would suggest Heinz and natural vinegar, white vinegar. Yeah, you need white vinegar, though. That's the same I must have. So first, I think we're gonna do some pink.
You mean purple?
Ah, yeah, purple. Sorry. And when we tested this out, it kind of like what goes over the top, and you want to add you don't want to add a lot of vinegar. You just need a bit. So I'm going to scoot this back.
And we tried pretty much a lot.
And
it did not turn out well. It was bubbly.
Now I'm going to go over it. You need vinegar, baking soda, and I suggest using watercolor, but I'm using watercolor today. You can use food coloring, anything that will make it colorful. If you want color, you don't have to have color. It's just pretty. It's pretty. So now I'm going to add the baking soda. When you add the baking soda, I would step back just a tiny bit if you don't want to get it on your clothes. See, I'm stained, but that's okay.
Only a little. That's good. That's good. Right there.
So did you see how much I added there? So just like that much, maybe a little bit more.
Well, it's not.
That's not doing anything. It usually comes over the top. Well, I think this food coloring has a different reaction because when we tried the pink one earlier, it turned foamy, but this one's not turning foamy. It should go over the top. But
let's try the pink one.
Yeah, that one isn't working. We'll try the pink one though. I think that'll work. So first, we're gonna add the vinegar.
And I have to introduce myself. My name is Peter. I'm the person who
works it. I'm Nadia. So as you can see, there's not a lot.
Come on.
Okay, there we go. Now let's add some baking soda.
You probably can't see.
Okay, and Peter, they can't see.
Sorry.
So here, look. It's falling over the top.
That thing works.
Yeah, this one works. See, it's supposed to go over the top. So I would feel like, oh, and also you're gonna need probably a vial. You might want a vial. And I would fill the vinegar up to there. And then just add I don't know how much
baking soda
until it starts coming out the top. You should add baking soda. Oh, it's still going. Here. If we want it to go even longer, we should probably add more of this. And a little more. Like that. So this is a lot of fizzing. So guys, this might still go. You can watch it. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give me a like. Peter, can you turn it off?
Yeah.